Hi guys, welcome to Content Creator, and in this video I'm going to show you two things that I made with my hands, DIY. Meet Bob number 2. Why number 2 and not number 1? Because his Bob. The cosplay that I made with a lot of things, This thing I bought in Dollarama like for $5 maybe, for 3, I don't know. And these things match this. It looks more like a bean uh, than a killer. So that is the first creation. So you can see I made with two phones. There is one, there's two like this, but this one I cut it like in half. I cut it those parts, this part. So I make the structure with barbecue sticks, with cardboard, with foam, and with paint, with a base, cardboard base. And also this thing you can afford with $10 at Dollarama. Each thing costs like $2. So now let's see the second creation, which is a sword. You're not subscribed. Just kidding. This thing, you can see I painted. I like this thing. This thing I didn't need to paint this because it's already white. Cool, right? So this thing matched this too. So not that much, but with this thing. So I think it's cool. So if you like this video, make sure to hit that like button, that bell button, and if your red button is still red, so click on it to make it gray. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys, peace!